Hi dear students. So we have another session of Brainiac's doubt clearance. So there is a good question in front of you. Just to read the question. The density of a liquid is 1.2 gram per ml. There are 35 drops in 2 ml. The number of molecules in one drop is. This is the question. Okay. So I hope you understood the question. So we'll try to see it line by line. So density of the liquid is given. Okay, so that means there is a liquid is there. So I can say the density of the liquid. Okay, so density of the liquid is equal to, okay, density of the liquid is equal to 1.2 gram per ml. Correct. So density of the liquid they have given. Hmm. Now what they have given, there are 35 drops in 2 ml. So they are telling there are 35 drops in 2 ml. So we will say volume of the liquid. Okay, so we will say volume of the liquid is equal to how much they are given, 2 ml. Correct. So volume of the liquid is given as 2 ml, and we know the density of this liquid is this much. Now what we can find out, we have our standard formula. Density is equal to mass by volume. Correct. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. Now what we can do here, listen. Now we know that, so we want to find out mass actually. So I can say mass of, how much drop it is actually, you can see here 35 drops. Correct. So mass of 35 drops, 35 drops of liquid, 35 drops of liquid is equal to what, it will come, volume into density. Correct. Volume into density. Now what is the volume given? We know that volume is 2 ml. For 35 drops it is occupying a mass of, it is occupying a volume of 2 ml, and density of the liquid remains constant, and that value is given as how much, 1.2 gram per ml. Correct. So I can substitute that for density, that is 1.2 gram per ml. Now I could cancel this one, this ml and ml can be cancelled, so this will become 24 or 2.4 gram. Correct. So right now I know mass of 35 drops of liquid, I know it is 2.4 gram. Correct. So we will write it like this. Okay, so mass of 35 drops of liquid is equal to 2.4 gram. Now now what we can calculate from this, so we can calculate, we can write it like this actually, 35 drops of liquid has a mass of 2.4 gram. Now for one drop of liquid, how we can get it? Divide by 35 on both sides. Correct. So I can say for one drop of liquid, for one drop of liquid, mass is equal to 2.4 divided by 35 gram. Now I know one drop of liquid has a mass of this much, but what they are asking you in the question, they are asking you the number of molecules in one drop. That is what they are asking. I know one drop of a liquid is having 2.4 gram, 2.4 by 35 gram is present. Okay. Now, but they have given one more clue. Molecular weight of the liquid is given as 70. So that we will note down here. We can say here molecular weight of the liquid, molecular weight of the liquid is equal to 70 gram. Okay, molecular weight expressed in grams, correct. Now tell me what is the relation between molecular weight of any substance and Avogadro number. You know that molecular weight of any liquid or any compound will contain how many molecules? Avogadro number of molecules, correct. So I can say that 70 gram of the liquid, 70 gram of the liquid contains how many molecules? Avogadro molecules of liquid. Avogadro molecules of liquid. Correct? Okay. Now 70 gram contains Avogadro molecules, but can you tell me one drop is having which mass? 22.4 divided by 35. So I need to know in 2.4 divided by 35 how many molecules are there, because 2.4 by 35 corresponds to how much drop? One drop. In question they are asking number of molecules in one drop. So let me find out for 1 gram. So 1 gram of liquid, 1 gram of liquid has how many molecules? Na by 70 molecules of liquid. Na by 70 molecules of liquid. Correct. Now tell me how to get it for 2.4 by 35. Multiply by that value. That is 2.4 divided by 35 grams. So this will become 2.4 by 35 gram of liquid has how many number of molecules? Na by 70 into 2.4 by 35 molecules. Correct? Molecules. Correct. Now, how I can simplify this actually? I can say um, this 2.4 can be cut with this one. So this can be written as Na by 35 into, if you cut with this will become 1.2 by 35. So I can say Na into 1.2 divided by 35 the whole square. This is the answer. So 2.4 gram of liquid corresponds to what actually? Tell me. This corresponds to one drop of liquid. One drop of liquid. Correct? So now read it. One drop of liquid has a mass of 2.4 by 35 gram and it has how many molecules? Na by 35 square into 1.2 molecules. So this is how we need to do it. So we will look for that option. Okay, that is Na by 35 square. So I hope yeah. So we have the option here Na by Na by 35 square into 1 point. So option C will be the correct answer. So if you have liked the explanation, please subscribe our channel so that you will get more videos. And if you need more detailed understanding, uh, go please contact Brainiacs classes. There you will get more lectures, more theory as well as more problems. Thank you.